Hello, welcome back to my channel. This is Deepak Kumar and today we are going to discuss question number 3227. Question name is vowel game in a string. Here we are given a string whose length is whose length starts from 1 and can be up to 10 to the power 5. Now what is said in the question is there are two players, Alice and Bob. They are playing the game on a string and what they have to do is to on Alice's turn she will remove a non-empty string from S that will contain odd number of vowels. And on the Bob turn, he will remove a non-empty string that will contain even number of vowels. And now we have to return true if Alice wins the game and false if he loses. And now, what makes a person does lose a game or win a game? Here we can see the line where it is written that a first player who cannot make a move on their turn loses the game. Like if we are given example of lead coder, here we are having four vowels and they are playing optimally. Like for example, first Alice removes three vowels, then Bob cannot remove a single substring as there is only one vowel left, and he at least has to remove zero vowels or two vowels. So he will lose the game. So what we will do is to in uh, is to first declare a variable where we will store number of vowels and start a loop we will start a loop. Here we will count the number of variables. Since we are given only small letters, so if we have any vowels, we will increase the count. So my condition will be we will increase the count. And now after loop, we will check if my count is less than or equals to 1, less than 1. If it is, then we will return false, else we will return true. But why so? Let's take an example where number of vowels is 5. Then Alice can remove substring which contains four vowels, and then Bob will not be able to remove any. Then Bob will not be able to remove any substring which will contain zero vowels. And if the word contains zero vowels, then he cannot remove any substring which contains an odd number of vowels. Then here Alice will lose. But if you think carefully, then there will be no any other cases where Alice can lose. And she can either remove all the vowels or when Alice can only lose when n, where n is the number of vowels, is zero. Else, at any condition, either n will be even, then she will remove n minus 1 number of vowels worth of string. Else, if n is even, n is odd, then she will remove complete string. So let's check our test cases. You can see all the test cases have been cleared. So let's add some of our own. Now let's check. You can see all the test cases have been cleared. So let's try submitting our code. You can see all the test cases given in the LeetCode have been cleared. So this marks the end of the today's question. If you like our content, please like, subscribe, and comment on the channel. Thank you.